So hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to show how to use Google Calendar. So first you see here the option Google and you just search here Google Calendar. So first option is open, so just click here Google Calendar. So after clicking this you see here the dashboard of Google Calendar. So you see here the dashboard, you see here the events already added. So you want to add your events, so just go into create and just add title, time, description, location, and add your weekly and daily events easily. And you also, with the help of email, you also remind it. So different tips for its drag and drop events, use keyword shortcut. I add birthday events, so you see here the added, and you see here the event of birthday is already shown in dashboard. So in this way you easily organize your life and never miss a task again. So subscribe for more productivity tips.